Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Prado. Today we have 2003 Toyota Prado, stock number 6785. This ran from the 2nd 2003 to the 8th 2004. It has a 1GR RFE 4 litre V6 petrol engine backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GR RFE 4 litre V6 petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front guard, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lip, manual automatic gear shifter, heat AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front keyless lock, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.